In this lesson, we will discuss the concept of a law as it relates to physics. So what is a law? A law is a statement or equation describing how nature behaves. So how is a law different from a model or a theory, you might ask? Before a statement becomes a law, it is rigorously tested under many different conditions, and only if the statement holds true after many experiments, then it is accepted to be a law. So you might think of a theory then that has been tested many times over and proven to be true to be kind of considered a law. However, you should always remember that as more is learned about the universe, sometimes what we consider a law currently might fail in some unknown condition in the future. And thus we need to reevaluate that law. The whole point, though, is that nothing in physics is really set in stone, and scientists are always open-minded to new possibilities. So let's look at an example of a law. An example of a physics law you might have heard of is the law of gravity. You always hear about it, Newton's apple and whatnot. So the law of gravity states that if two objects have some kind of mass, they will attract one another. This has been tested many times over the past century, and it was accepted as a law. And even farther back in the past century since Isaac Newton. This law in itself is not completely true, and because it doesn't hold true for everything in the universe, and scientists have always been trying to tweak it. The point you should take away is that we use laws of nature, quote-unquote laws, because they're not set in stone, remember, to help guide and improve our understanding of the universe, even when those laws may not be perfect. I hope this video has helped you gain a better understanding of the concept of a law.